What are we doing today?
I'm shrugging.
He's shrugging because we are going to, I'm trying to get the hang of this. We are today going across on the Hythe Ferry to Southampton. Here comes Mummy.
Here's a bloke. Here's a wood bloke.
And we're going to have lunch in Southampton, aren't we?
Yes. We're going over on the ferry to have lunch.
I'm not.
And we're having pizza! And Jones Street car park is the best car park to park. It is just a couple of minutes walk through the alleyway and out the other side to the entrance to the ferry. And here we are, we buy our tickets, which is a return. For the three of us it cost us £20. And the Hythe Ferry, or the Hythe, certainly the Hythe Pier and the train has been in operation since 1881.
Mind your hands, I'll go.
And the train trundles out. It doesn't go very fast, but you can enjoy the views from the windows here. And it takes about, I don't know, 2, 3, 4 minutes at the most to get to the other end, where the little ferry across to Southampton waits. So we reach the other end and the train stops here, and the little ferry comes over from the terminal over in the city of Southampton, parks up. People on there get off, take the little train, back to the start of the pier, and we take the ferry over to Southampton. Let's board. So here we have the little train heading back to the start of the pier, taking the passengers back that just came off the ferry, and we are about to leave to cross the Solent into, or the Southampton Water I think it's called, into the city of Southampton, and we've chosen to sit outside. Also a bigger boat that also goes across, but this is one of the smaller ones. And you get some very close-up views of the cruise lines that are parked up here in Southampton, along with the cargo ships. So the terminal we are heading to is the same terminal that shares ports with the Red Jet and near the Red Funnel terminals that head across to Southampton. We will be taking those one day hopefully, but today we are just going to dock up here, jump off and head into Southampton, which we'll show you a couple of clips off before we head back across the water back into Hythe. We had a quick drink in a bar in Southampton before we headed for pizza, and we also had a little bit of a starter / snack as well, and we went to L'Osteria, which is a great pizza place. The pizzas are huge, as you could see. Chicken and pineapple, yes, and then a spicy sausage on the other half. We shared it. It was great, and definitely recommend it if you're heading to Southampton. Very, very reasonable price as well. We headed back to the terminal for the ferry home. It's about a 15-20 minute walk from the terminal to the main hub of Southampton, where we were eating in Westquay. And here's our little mini ferry. Looks like it's the same one as we got. So it is time to board and head back across the water to Hythe. And it didn't take long to get back to the pier for the little short train ride back to the start of the pier before we jump in the car and head home. So now would be as good a time as any to explain why I am showing you this video. I just think it's a great link between the city of Southampton and the country and the beauty of the New Forest. Once you get into Southampton from the New Forest, if that's where you're staying, it's an easy walk up to the main hub of the Southampton city centre. And if you're staying in Southampton and want to see the countryside of the New Forest, hop on the ferry, get the train into Hythe, and you can get the hop on hop off bus around the New Forest, which shows you all the sights. So it's a really good link between the two. Definitely recommend it, and it saves all the hassle of parking and taking your car around the waters from Southampton to the New Forest. That is the end of our trip on the Hythe Ferry.